She wasn't crying because of a fight. She was folding laundry and the tears just wouldn't stop. If you know that feeling, this video is going to say everything you haven't been able to say out loud. Nobody around her knew because from the outside, everything looked fine. No big fights, no dramatic scenes, no betrayal, just distance. He worked late. She took care of everything, the bills, the birthdays, the children's schedules, everyone's emotional needs. And when friends asked how things were going, she just smiled and said, "We are doing okay." But inside, she was exhausted in a way she couldn't explain. Not tired from the work, tired from doing it completely alone. And it wasn't one big thing. It was never one big thing. It was the 100 small moments. The dinner where he looked at his phone the whole time. The night she cried in the bathroom so nobody could hear. The morning she mentioned something important and he forgot by evening. The anniversary that passed like an ordinary Tuesday. 100 small moments of feeling unheard, untouched, unknown. And then one ordinary afternoon, while folding laundry, the tears just came. Not because of anything that happened that day, because of everything that had been quietly accumulating for months, maybe years. And in that moment, she finally understood something. It wasn't the responsibilities that broke her, it was carrying them all alone. No one warns you about this kind of breaking, the quiet kind, the kind that happens not in shouting matches but in silences that go on too long. Not in major fights but in the daily disconnect that nobody knows how to name. And here's what I want you to hear. That breaking point, that afternoon folding laundry with tears you couldn't stop, that is not the end of your marriage. That is the moment you finally stop pretending. And that moment is actually the beginning. If you're still watching, then you're not looking for someone to tell you to just communicate better. You've heard that, you've tried that. What you're looking for is someone who understands why it's so hard, why you've gone quiet, why the words won't come even when you know what you feel. Here's what I've learned from my own marriage and from working with hundreds of women like you. The silence isn't the problem, the silence is the symptom. Underneath it is a woman who tried to be heard, wasn't heard, and eventually stopped trying. Not because she stopped caring, because she got tired of the effort, costing more than the result. So let me give you something real today, not a script, not a trick, just one sentence that has opened more close marriages than any advice I've ever given. I've been quiet for too long. I don't want to lose us. Can we talk? Just really talk? That's it. No blame, no accusation, no list of everything he did wrong, just truth. Vulnerable, clear, human. That sentence won't fix everything overnight, but it does something nothing else can do. It opens a door. And connection always starts with an open door. If you've watched this far, you already know this isn't just another coaching video to you. This is your life, and something in you has been waiting for permission to stop pretending that you're fine. This Saturday, I'm hosting a free masterclass and I want you there. Inside, I'm going to show you how to start the real conversation without it turning into a war. How to be heard by a man who has stopped listening. How to rebuild connection in a marriage that has gone quietly cold. Not with magic, with a real structured framework, the Reclaim framework, built from my own marriage, my own silence, my own moment of folding laundry, and finally deciding I deserved more than okay. The link to register is in my bio. Go there right now. I know what's going to happen if you don't. You're going to keep scrolling. You're going to tell yourself you'll do something about this later. And later is going to look like today. Exactly. You've already had enough days that look like today. This Saturday, let one day look different. Register through the link in my bio. The masterclass is free. The seat is there. And the woman who finally stops folding laundry in tears and starts speaking her own truth instead, she's already inside you. She's just been waiting for the right room.